You want to supply whole buildings with energy, and the electric vehicles should be part of the system. You need energy management by bidirectional charging. How this works, you learn now. Hello, warm welcome on the booth of Hager. On my side, I welcome Johannes Klag. He is Marketing Manager, Energy Solutions and Charging Solutions at Hager.
Hello.
Mr. Klag, Hager has developed a complete system for residential and commercial buildings, including electric vehicles. How does it work?
Yes. So as experts in energy distribution, we said we need to know all the components in the building of tomorrow. And so we said charging infrastructure is a critical part of this. And here we have our range for the single family house. We start with the VT1, our fast and easy solution with 11 kilowatt charging power. It is controlled by the Hager Charge app, so you have all your information and data in the app right away. And then if you want to have more functionalities, we can go to the VT Plus, our advanced charging station. So here we have the possibility to have PV surplus charging, as well as billing functionalities with MID certification, as well as the OCPP interface. And if you want to have even more energy management functionalities, we can use our Energy Manager. And then we can also include, for example, heat pumps. We can manage up to 8 VT Plus. And we also have, for example, the possibility to use heating elements to also store more warm water with our PV production.
So it's a proper solution for the residential building and including charging, but you have also charging for the official
Yes, for the
areas,
public areas, the commercial areas. Yes, we also have this here in the other side of the booth.
So this looks a little bit bigger for the public.
Yes, it's bigger and more robust. It's the VT Park 2, our public charging station. We have it once as a pedestal version, like here, or the wall-mounted version. And we have it once as a MID variant, as well as a Eichrecht variant. We always have 2 times 22 kilowatt charging power. And really important for the public area, we have a display where you can have a company logo as a screensaver. And we really have clear instructions for the end user, because we saw in the public area, if you only have a status LED, it's sometimes green, sometimes blue. The end user doesn't really know what he has to do. So especially if you have multiple charging stations that you are managing, it's very easy for the end customer and they don't overflow your support hotline.
Yeah, and so the customer can see what the charging device is doing.
Exactly, and he also has a clear customer journey. We say, okay, please plug in your car, now scan the QR code or scan the RFID, then please unlock your car, so that he really knows exactly what he has to do at each step of the charging session.
Yeah, that's very important. But bidirectional charging is the new trend.
Yeah.
I think Hager has also a solution for that.
Exactly. We also have a solution. I can show it to you on the other side.
So I see this is the bidirectional version of the charging solution.
Yes. This is our VT Flex charging station. It's a bidirectional DC charging station, as you can see on the CCS socket, with 11 kilowatt charging power, so in the car and out of the car. And we said we are going with DC bidirectional charging, as well as the communication ISO 15118-20, so that we don't have a proprietary solution for one specific car, but to be really compliant with each car in the future that we can do.
Yeah, so it's quite flexible. You can use all cars. The car don't need an inverter. The inverter is inside?
It's inside. So we have basically, it's a hybrid inverter. So it's one time from the grid or the building AC to directly to the battery with DC, and the other way around, also DC from the battery. We have the inverter in here, and then again to the grid to the building. We can go there with AC, and then the intelligence behind it is our energy management system, Flow, which decides then what's to do with the PV production do we put it in the grid? Do we use it in the house? Do we put it in the storage? Or do we put it into the car? Or do we take it out of the car?
Yeah, so you have the car as a mobile storage, but you mentioned already the stationary storage.
Yes, we also have this, and we can have a look.
So this is the battery storage. It's very slim.
Yeah.
It's the new one.
Yes, it's the new one. It's the R3 hardware. So our third iteration of a battery storage. It has between 6 and 15 kilowatt hours capacity, and it can have up to 12 kilowatt power inside and outside of the battery. And this is done through our new hybrid inverter, also with 12 kilowatt power. And if we have a bigger PV, we can also use multiple inverter in the farming mode, and we can also extend the system for more battery capacity with additional storage systems.
So in the farming mode, you can use more inverters parallel.
Exactly. And then
Operated by one inverter, or how do you connect it?
yeah, it's operated by the energy management system, and we use it together with our automatic transfer switch. So here we connect all the inverters that we have, so we can also have multiples. Also we connect here the BD charging station as well as the storage system, and inside here we also have our switch. If we have power shutdown, we transfer here to the island mode, where we still can supply the building with energy.
Okay, that sounds very good for residential, even for small commercial
Exactly.
solutions. And thank you, Mr. Klag, for the solutions, for the presentation. And if you want to know more about Hager, please use the website.